guys, so finally Java 21 is out now, and in this tutorial I will show you how we can install JDK 21. And for that we need to open our favorite browser and search for JDK download, and here we have a link for official website, that is www.oracle.com. Java is owned by Oracle, so I will click on this link. And once I'm inside this website, so here we have a Java 21 and Java 17 available now. So the previous LTS version is Java 17, but the latest LTS version is Java 21. So as you can see, JDK 21 is the latest long-term support release of Java SE platform, and it is available for Linux, macOS and Windows. And I will download it for Windows, and here I will click on x64 installer. So here is the point that JDK 21 is available for 64-bit operating system. So right now it doesn't support 32-bit operating system. And I will click on installer, so I will download the installer. Once the download is completed, I will go in the download directory and I will double click on its setup file. Next, the path is okay. I will click next, and then it start installing the JDK 21 on my system. So we have successfully installed JDK 21, and I will click on close. Now I will open my command prompt. I will run it as an administrator, and here I will write Java minus version. So as you can see, the current Java version is 21 is successfully installed in my operating system, and this is LTS, and this has been launched on 19th September 2023. So congrats, Java 21 is installed in the system, and you can use all the latest features that Java 21 provides. And we will discuss about these latest features later on. But if you want to set up IntellIJ in your system, so I have another video tutorial on that. I will leave the link in our description, so you can check that video and see how you can set up IntellIJ with JDK in your system. Kindly subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon. See you in the next video.